Welcome, folks, back to Let's Kind of Tech. Here's where you get all the tech tips and all the gist about technology. If you are also getting into web technology, you want to be a web developer, this is the right channel to be. Okay, today is we're actually going to dive into how to remove virus actually from your desktop completely, okay, the right way. Okay, sometimes we have the Windows Defender. Some also actually have other softwares, antivirus softwares like they normally used to install on their PCs, but I actually recommend the Windows Defender because that one is actually okay. When you connect to the internet, you get a fair good how do I even put it, a fair cleaned up on your desktop. So we are going to dive into the video straight, but before that, don't forget to comment, like, share, and then subscribe and click that notification button for more videos. Thank you. Alright, so today we are going to look at how to take off virus from our PCs. So here we are actually going to launch the Windows Defender first. So we'll launch the Windows Defender and then go to virus and threat protection. Then from the pop-up, you just do a quick scan. Okay, over here I have 0 threats found over here, but maybe with yours, maybe after scanning you may be getting some 2 or 3 or 15 and above threats found actually on your desktop. So you do what, you do a quick scan. So as this is scanning, we go right into our task button, our task bar, then right click on our start button, and then click on run, or you can use the key combination, the shortcut Windows key plus R. Then we'll type clean mtr, okay, then hit enter. It's going to give us this pop-up window you see over here, this menu you see over here, this cleanup. Okay, so you select the drive, you have lists, so make sure you select the drive C, then you click OK or enter. So you have to, so it then brings you actually our virus and scan is actually done. So you can see I have 0 threats over here. So back into this, so this pop-up window will appear, this menu will appear, and then make sure you check all this, so that's wherever any virus is hidden in. These are the directories of the Windows. Okay, so you then select them. It's not going to affect your personal data that you have on your PC. It's only the one that the computer has actually created by itself. Okay, what Windows created by itself. So you hit enter. Then are you sure you want to permanently delete this one? Yes, we want to delete these chunks of viruses that we have actually on our desktop. So let's click. It's actually cleaned up, so we just give it some few minutes, okay, seconds. Okay, it's actually done. So we move to the third step, okay, which you are going to use the same command. So you can close this window, just click Ctrl R, it pops up again, then you type in temp, okay, then you click enter. Then if this is your first time, you are actually going to have some chunk of files, plenty over here, actually many of them over here. So all you need to do is you click Ctrl A to select all, then use Ctrl Shift plus delete, actually Shift plus delete to permanently delete it. Then from there you come back and then do Windows run, then you do percentage temp, another percentage, then hit enter. It brings you to another file. So with the other temp, the last step before this, that's how you're going to get files and chunk files in it. These files were not created by you, were actually created by what's the PC, the computer. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll select this, we'll select all, and then Shift plus delete. Then you have to delete them permanently. Okay, so it's actually going to give you this pop-up you see over here, file in use. Okay, so all you need to do is just to, because it's in use, so you just have to do what, control. Already we have opened it, so control key. Okay, it will delete most of them. You'll be having lots of them to delete. These ones I already use. If we actually close and use it, if we can get them off. So guys, that is how you do a clean virus scan to actually delete them permanently actually from your computer, from your desktop. So guys, this is a video. Thank you guys for watching this particular video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and then hit that notification button. You can ask questions, okay, comments down below, and let me know how this video is actually helping you guys. Thank you guys.